you to man's new best friend. Meet Chip. Chip is a robotic dog that's much more than just a cool gadget. Chip is an interactive pet that's there to greet you at the door. With the smart band, Chip recognizes who his owner is.
Hey, have you seen my other slipper? Have you seen my other slipper?
And shows affection to them when near. Chip is obedient and can follow commands. But he also learns new things, so you can teach him tricks. And the smarter Chip becomes, the more badges he earns. When you like what you see, just press the like button on the band, which can encourage him to behave. Or be a little mischievous. Your choices change Chip's behavior and shapes his personality, so that no two Chips are ever alike. Chip is a connected experience. He has a translator. What is it, Chip? So you can understand his thoughts. He comes with his own smart ball, so you can play fetch and stay active together. He also has sensors, so you can maneuver around obstacles with ease. And with the mobile app, you can feed Chip, which shows you care. And that's important, because when you're in need, no matter it big or small, he's there for you. With his beacon sense technology, Chip is fully aware of his surroundings.
Seriously, no one's seen it? This is like the 5th time.
He even knows how to return to his bed when it's time for a charge, so he never runs out of energy. Chip is a smart device. Chip is a robot. Chip is a dog. But most importantly, Chip is a friend. The best kind.
Your chance to join the revolution in personal transportation. Segway has been a leader in this industry with their proven motor technology. Add robot mode and you have the same Segway experience and your own intelligent companion. It's also customizable, so you can add personality or function as you see fit. The connected app lets you keep track of your Ninebot, and with multiple cameras and depth sensing, you can be sure it will sense the environment accurately so it can move intelligently. The Ninebot's cameras work for video calls, so you can chat with your loved ones no matter where you are. Make it your buddy, make it your friend, make Ninebot and the future a part of your life.
Hi, my name is Tapia, and this is a story about me and my family. Hope you enjoy it. Hurry up. Wake up. You got a meeting at 9:30. It's already being late. Today weather is good. Temperature about 81. Good day to work. You only slept 4 hours last night. Not good. So get home early today. Take some rest. And do you need coffee? Latte as usual? Or espresso?
Espresso. Tabo.
Sure.
Tapia! Can you get the lipstick we did last time? Lux, number 7.
Reorder. Lux number 7 lipstick.
Thank you.
Ba 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 ba
It's been 2 weeks since last time you call your mom. Don't you miss her? Maybe it's time to stop quarreling with each other?
Tabia, call my mom.
Yes. Tabia, dog robot companion.